Hey folks, Chris once again, welcome back to another video. This is a kind of a request from my good friend Rick. I hope you're doing fine, man. My friend, hope everything's okay. And I want to see back to more of these catch the predator, and the other two surprised apparently weren't how to catch a predator this show. So I want to apologize for that. I'm sorry. I'm still new to this whole predator thing. Like I said, I don't care for much for these anyways, but they're interesting to say the least, so let's check this one out.
This guy from New York City just drove more than 50 miles in the rain to have sex with someone he thinks is a 12-year-old girl. You heard right, a 12-year-old.
Oh, hell no.
Joshua Cologne likes to be called Pop, Latin slang for
Hold on,
daddy.
guys. Sorry, guys, had to
Have another name for him. Predator.
Predator's the right name.
The latest guy caught in our all-new investigative segment, Hanson versus Predator.
Jesus Christ.
He's 32 years old enough to be the girl's father. He's in Queens and works for a plumbing company in Brooklyn. Besides Poppy, he likes to be called
a plumber.
Boss. His profile on the Link app shows he belongs to groups like Kush Smokers Are Us and Love Seekers, a site for teens.
Oh my god, that's disgusting.
That woman in a bulletproof vest is with the online predator watchdog group Tetrad Core. They set up the sting in cooperation with the Fairfield, Connecticut police. On social media, Tetrad posts a pic and profile that is obviously a 12-year-old girl. We're protecting her real identity. Cologne makes the first contact, and after some innocent chat, he sends some sexually charged texts about how he'll take her virginity. He then makes a bizarre proposal no adult should ever make to a
They always gotta cut to the chase, don't they?
12-year-old.
You make me more happier. It's too bad you aren't old enough to marry me. I wouldn't hurt you.
After she tells him her mom is going out of town, Cologne reveals his fear of getting caught.
And if your mom comes back and I'm there, I could get in serious trouble and go to jail.
So I'm home from school.
The on-site decoy is posing as the 12-year-old named Jenna Claire. She's talking to Cologne as he drives up I-95 from New York City.
There's a girlfriend right there. Why not date somebody like that who's an adult?
To our sting house in Fairfield.
Be really careful when you drive up, okay?
But it's not the rush hour this guy has to worry about. He's about to be caught on our more than a dozen hidden cameras outside, inside, in the hallway, the kitchen, and in the garage where police are in position for the bust.
Whoever's there is typically the handcuffing officer, okay? This is what we want it to happen. We want to ultimately arrest him here, handcuff him here, and then basically the search.
The Fairfield cops are prepared for any possibility.
You should have that paper out.
Our driveway cam shows Cologne pulling up to the sting house in a bright yellow car.
That looks like an expensive car.
As he walks to the back door.
I'm not big on cars, but
our on-site decoy, a 19-year-old theater student who could pass for a preteen, invites him inside. Watch again. He locks the door behind him. What could he be thinking?
Yeah, what could he be thinking? Anything. Why is it always gotta be cupcakes? Okay, this isn't EDP 445, how to catch a predator. I'll be surprised if he's on here too. Can't really go to the girl's house though, he just got caught outside. But
dinner for myself? Because I didn't get to finish my dinner.
It's probably where EDP got the cupcake shit from. This probably started his cupcake thing.
It's okay. Thanks.
Might I use the bathroom because I just was way older for so long.
Yeah, it's right here.
You look hotter than the picture.
Thanks. I'm sorry, I'm a nurse. Yeah, right there. No, here, this one. Yeah, I know it's little.
She knows.
When he comes out of the bathroom, he sees me.
It's my back. That's why she won't use the bathroom.
right over there.
He knows.
He's about to lose his luck.
You can have right here. See?
Right about he knows.
I know who you are.
You know who I am?
Yes.
So you've seen my shows before.
Yeah.
Then why are you doing this shit?
We're starting up again.
Okay.
And you are among our first guests. What's your name?
Joshua.
Joshua what?
Come on.
And how old are you?
32.
32. And how
32.
did you meet this Jenna Claire?
I was on a app, like,
And why did you think it was appropriate to talk to a girl who said she was 12 years old?
You might as well confess.
12.
I know. It was wrong.
It was more than
What
wrong.
did you bring with you tonight?
Huh?
What did you bring with you tonight?
Clothes?
Clothes. Why would you need to change of clothes?
Because I'm going to stay over.
Stay over with a 12-year-old girl.
Alone.
And what-
Well, thought be alone.
What do you do?
Because, have sex.
Have sex.
That's
Now you had quite the chat with this girl.
he's sweating like a fucking hog.
How would you know? You'd marry a 12-year-old girl.
If she was older.
If she's old. But why would you even say that to a 12-year-old? Do you have any nieces and nephews?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, what if a guy was hitting on them like this?
Yeah, I wouldn't like it.
You wouldn't like it. So explain to me what was going on in your mind that made you think it was okay to come here and do the very same thing.
I don't want to say anymore.
You don't say anymore. Well, you pretty much already said. Did you bring condoms?
Yes.
What?
In the back.
What else is in the bag?
I'm surprised he admitted to that.
Toothbrush, stuff like that.
That's it.
That's it. That's what you're going to find.
I'm surprised he actually said he's bringing condoms, which is creepy, to say the least.
Yeah, well, we'll finally make out and make love. I was thinking of staying over and leaving the next morning.
That they can go nowhere except to fucking jail with the rest of you. With the rest of you.
So when I come over, we'll go to your room and you'll take off all your clothes, since I'm the boss. Why would you have her call you Poppy?
Pop it.
I don't want to say anymore.
You see the stuff with them free people? Oh my god.
Yeah.
You wanted her to call you the boss. And then you say, I just hope your mom doesn't find out about me because I could get in serious trouble, you know, right? I could go to jail.
You're going to jail.
I know love knows no age, but most people don't think the same. 12. Doctor,
I know this stuff.
have you done this before?
No.
Have you ever contacted them from your age girl online?
Yes.
We have evidence of that, too. A 13. So why should I believe you?
He's done more than one.
I did. First,
You just woke up. You woke up a few weeks ago and said, I'm going to chat up this girl and drive from your home where?
New York
In Brooklyn.
and Queens.
Queens. You said what? Or do you work in Brooklyn?
I work in Brooklyn.
Okay. And you live in Queens? And what do you do for work in Brooklyn?
I'm a plumber.
Good. Good job.
Yeah.
Good pay.
That's right.
Why would you cost so much for this? I mean, can't you explain to me what brought you here tonight?
It's pretty obvious.
I mean, it's not wrong.
It is right. I know.
But
You know, then why'd you fucking do it?
I don't know. I don't know what was going through my mind.
you don't know.
Are you a son of a bitch? Or are you high as a fucking kite?
There's no way I'm getting out of this anyway, so I'm not going to say anymore.
Well, Joshua, I don't know what else to say. Except that I'm Chris Hanson. And this is an investigation called Hanson versus Pepper.
Right, you.
So if there's anything else you want people to know, Coward.
There's just one person this time with the camera?
Yes, it is.
Can I use the bathroom? Because I've been holding for quite some time.
I think you should go.
Cops, right?
Predator, the Fairfield, Connecticut cops put him
There you
under
go. Lock him up. Bye-bye.
As officers search his yellow car, he's handcuffed, put into an unmarked car. Cops brought Cologne to the police.
Most of them put up a fight. At least he doesn't put up a fire or any of that shit.
Can you open all your hands, sir?
After he's fingerprinted and photographed, he'll spill his guts to detectives.
Don't wait on us. We've already eaten dinner, so we're good to go. You're the hungry guy.
Next, gave him food. He doesn't deserve food.
Chinese takeout. He's waived his rights to remain silent. What he's about to say will shock you.
And is 12 an age that you're comfortable with? That's your preference, or?
I date all ages.
Jesus Christ, all ages.
I date older, younger. I mean, not younger than 12, but 12.
Now,
That's
Cologne is
fucking
about to
creepy.
make a truly stunning confession.
Look at that. That's a creep right there.
Relations with someone older than 12.
How old?
15.
Where was that?
Jesus Christ.
A few months back.
Do you remember her name?
It's not her.
It's not a
Do you
her.
remember his name?
Date.
Cologne then reveals his biggest fear was meeting me instead of a little girl.
We didn't talk, but I never actually.
Appears come to life.
Because I was afraid
For what?
to be like, I'm that guy's short.
That's what you were afraid of?
I can't say what I blame you.
What exactly, if you could erase him from walking into the kitchen today, what do you envision yourself doing right now if that hadn't happened?
You guys know already.
Your intention was to have sex with her?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you tell her you loved her?
Yes.
Why?
Because I don't kind of I guess, or something.
To
Oh
pull
my
her in?
God.
I guess.
What do you think
Pull
would be
her out.
different about a sexual experience with a young girl versus an older person your age?
I mean, the person who's not experienced. I guess I'm going somewhere. That's the problem.
Having an inexperienced person?
Cologne surely is going to choke on his chicken noodles after the detective calls the watch commander to find out how
Nice joke you got there, man.
much his bail.
Choke his chicken noodles. Oh my God.
Which is very high.
That is the worst joke I've ever heard.
At $125,000, bails out. What surprised you most about the results of this investigation?
How vulnerable our children are. How the internet has made our children so much more vulnerable to individuals that want to do them harm. And how easy it is to entice children.
The text messages, the visit to the house, evidence so overwhelming that Cologne pleads guilty to 3 felony charges: attempted second-degree sexual assault, attempted risk of injury to a minor, and attempting to entice a minor by computer. Cologne is sentenced to 7 years in prison, suspended after serving 3, and he must register as a sex offender. He's traded life
That
in the
sucks.
big city.
7 years.
We got another
And this was 6 years ago? This year he's gonna be fucking released. Oh my God.
I'm gonna catch them. What's scary about Cologne is how unapologetic he seems about the whole thing. So I'm up here now in the New York office because I get emails from parents all the time after they watch these segments asking how they can better protect their kids from these creeps. Well, it starts right here on the computer, and with this, your smartphone.
Exactly.
Here are some little tips for you. Number 1, educate yourself on all the new social platforms. You
That
don't
piece
need
of
to use them,
paper out my hand.
but you need to understand how they work. Number 2, curfew their cell phones. Set a time that kids' smartphones go on a family charging station for the night. These creeps like to work in the late night hours. And lastly,
Night
3,
time.
have a blunt, age-appropriate discussion with your kids. When I did the very first investigation, I showed it to a group of young teens. They thought the predators were actually actors. They were shocked to see guys really do this. And I was shocked when I asked the group if any had been approached online in an inappropriate way and not told their parents. 75% said yes. Just 75% was very scared. For more on how to protect your kids online, just go to CrimeWatchDaily.com.
That's what I keep saying. Parents do not know the fucked up shit that goes on the internet. I swear to God, they don't fucking know. Unless they grab your kid's phone, it's just worth looking up on their history, their Facebook, Instagram. You have no idea what your kids are looking up. They'd be looking up some porn on your fucking phone and not know what to fucking think of it. That's why you need to watch what your kids are watching on YouTube, who they're friends with on Facebook. Because if they're friends with, like, either a predator or a serial killer, trust me, I've done that before. I was friends with this guy and he murdered his fucking cats and his cat and his pet dog, and my mom literally reported him and got him taken off of Facebook. I swear to God, parents do not know the shit that the kids are looking at. Because it's like an iceberg. Down here, you have the usual stuff like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Then at the very tip is all the fucked up shit that's on those websites, man. It's just a saga that never fucking ends, especially with this predator shit. I swear. But yeah, rant over. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much, Rick. I'm sorry. Again, I apologize for looking up the wrong thing, but like I said, I'm so new to this stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and see you all in the next video, which will be next. Peace out, y'all.